Thank you, Raida. Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the PSX Board of Directors, I would like to welcome Chairman PCB, Mr. Ramiz Raja, Mr. Salman Nasir, Acting CEO PCB, members of the PCB Governing Board, Mr. Asim Javed and Javed Qureshi, the Capital Markets Fraternity, and distinguished guests. Mr. Chairman, this is the first time that a PCB chair has come to the PSX to strike the gong and open the trading day, and it is a real honor to have a distinguished cricketer like yourself amongst us at the exchange today. For a moment, let me take you back to 2009. Due to the insurgency in Swat and adjoining areas, Pakistan was facing a dire security situation. There were millions of people who had been internally displaced, and the country's morale was at a really, really low ebb. Many of you may remember that time. And then Pakistan reached the T20 World Cup final, and we won it. And I remember on that day in the IDP camps, in parks across the country, screens were put up for people to watch the final live. And when we won the tournament and we won the World Cup, the mood of the country changed, the morale of the country changed. It was palpable, you could feel it. I still sort of remember it so vividly, the change literally days before and days after when we won the World Cup. And this is the power of sports. It can transform the nation. And sports are critical, as they provide a positive outlet for the youth of the country. If we have tournaments, if we have sports facilities, then the energy of the youth will be diverted towards constructive, positive areas. And if we don't provide that, then we shouldn't be surprised if our youth focuses and goes towards negative areas. So the work that the PCB is doing can really transform the attitudes and destinies of our younger generations. And similarly, success at sports at an international level really changes the perception and image of a country. And one of the challenges that we face in Pakistan, to be honest, we're all on the same side here, that our brand over the years has been tarnished. And the work that you're doing will, inshallah, help to improve brand Pakistan and put Pakistan in people's minds and eyes in a different way than they perceive it right now. So the work that you're doing is much more than just cricket. The work that you're doing at PCB has important social and economic implications for Pakistan. And there is no better person than you for this important role. As all of you know, Mr. Ramiz Raja is an accomplished cricketer, member of the 1992 World Cup winning squad, a world-class commentator, and also a former CEO of PCB. So there's no pressure, but the country is, mashallah, counting on you. And although it's only been a few weeks, but I've really been impressed by the initiatives that you've already started in such a short period of time, the energy that you're bringing to this role, and this really bodes well for the future of cricket in Pakistan. We are also very happy that you have come to Karachi and are meeting the business community here. We are with you and assure you of our full support to bring the glory back to Pakistan cricket. I would like to touch upon another area. Some of the biggest sports people in the world, Muhammad Ali, for example, we were just talking about him before, having earned millions in their lifetime while being active sports people, fell into financial difficulties post-retirement. And perhaps that is not a surprise because they're focused fully on the game while they're playing. But like everyone else, they need support with financial planning. And, PSX, along with the Capital Markets Fraternity, would be happy to work with you, to how to help our sports people and artists more broadly. We hear of so many times, artists, sports people falling into financial difficulties, although after such successful careers. So we would be happy to work with you in how to help them do financial planning so that they are prepared for a prosperous time and comfortable time post-retirement as well. And I'm proud to share that for long-term investors, PSX has delivered world-beating returns. And as PSX, we provide world-class infrastructure for both companies to raise capital as well as for investors to be able to invest in a broad range of products, including Sharia-compliant products, debt instruments, and others. And we would love to see, how we can help some of your IPL franchise holders, as Arif Bhai was saying, to come to the market and raise capital for the growth of cricket in Pakistan. Our prayers and best wishes are with the Pakistan team for success in the upcoming T20 World Cup. Inshallah, we will also host them to celebrate their success. Thank you once again for coming to PSX and opening the trading day.